Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Astro A50 headset to the Xbox Series X. First, let's start with the physical connection. If you are using the Astro A50 Gen 3 or Gen 4, take the micro USB or USB-C cable that came with your headset. Plug it into the port labeled USB on the back of the Astro base station. After that, connect the other end into one of the USB ports on your Xbox Series X console. Before moving on, make sure the switch on the base station is set to Xbox mode. This step is very important because the headset will not work correctly if it is set to PC mode. Now power on your headset and place it properly on the base station for a few seconds. Wait for the Xbox to detect the headset and assign it to your profile. Next, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide menu. Go to Profile and System, then Settings, then General, and select Volume and Audio Output. Under Party Chat and Output, set the output to Headset. Then move to the right side and select Headset Format. Choose Dolby Atmos for headphones. If you do not already have Dolby Atmos activated, download the Dolby Access app from the Xbox Store. Most Astro A50 headsets include a digital license that activates automatically during setup. Finally, it is recommended to update your headset and base station firmware using the Astro Command Center software on a PC or Mac. Thanks for watching.